Hi everyone! In this video, we will gonna learn about limits theorem. Now, what is limits theorem? Limits theorem. A limits theorem is a rule in a calculus that helps us find the value of a limit more easily. Instead of solving limits by long methods, we use limit theorems to simplify, break apart, or directly substitute values. Limits theorem are laws or rules that tells us how limits behave when we add, subtract, multiply, divide, or combine functions. They make it easier to compute limits without guessing. Why limit theorems are important? They allow you to, first, directly substitute values into function. Second, break complicated limits into simpler parts. Third, avoid undefined expressions. Fourth, solve limits quickly in calculus. There are 8 basic limits theorem. First, constant rule. Second, identity rule. Third, sum rule. Fourth, difference rule. Fifth, product rule. 6. Quotient rule. 7. Power rule. Last, root rule. But this time, I'm going to discuss the sum rule. What is sum rule? The sum rule is one of the basic limit theorems in calculus. It tells us how to take the limit of a sum of two functions. To find the limit of a sum, take the limit of each part separately and they add the result. Now, we have the theorem of a sum rule. The limit of f of x plus g of x as x approaches a is equals to the limit of f of x approaches a plus the limit of g of x as x approaches a. Now, I have an example. Let's evaluate this. Limits of 3x plus 2x squared as x approaches 4. First, let's break it using sum rule. Limits of 3x plus 2x squared as x approaches 4 is equals limit of 3x as x approaches 4 plus limit of 2x squared as x approaches 4. Now, apply constant and power rules. First, we have the f of x. Limit 3x as x approaches 4. So the value of x is 4. So we have equals 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 is equals 12. So our f of x is 12. Second, we have the g of x. Limit 2x squared as x approaches 4 is equals 2 times 4 squared. Since the 4 has an exponent or squared, let's solve that first. So 4 times 4 is equals 16. So we have 2 times 16 is equals 32. So our g of x is equals 32. Now, let's add the result. So we have our f of x is 12 and our g of x is 32. So 12 plus 32 is equals 44. So the final answer is 44.